Struggling to draw fists? Don't worry, you're not alone. Fists are basically hands, but angrier. This is a quick exercise, perfect for beginners, and you don't need any anatomy knowledge. And step 3, that's the one that changes everything. In just a few simple steps, we'll break the fist down into easy shapes, so you can actually draw it without guessing. Before we start, I've got a small favor to ask. Please take a second to like it and drop a comment below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. It's a tiny action for you, but it truly makes a huge difference for me. It helps show the algorithm that I'm not just talking to myself, and it helps push this video out into the drawing world where more people can find it. Let's start with what we already know. The palm. Nice, familiar, safe. Now, we close it. Slowly, fold it inward and turn it into a fist. Step 1. Start from what you know. Let's start from what we already understand. The shortest path is the one you don't have to guess. So we go back to what we master. The mitten. Quick question. Remember last episode when we talked about that slight curve where the fingers connect to the palm? That stays. That little curve is doing a lot of work. So we're going to use it as our anchor. Let's mark it. Make it red. That's your guide. Now we build from it. Start with the fingers. Keep them together. Simple shape. No details, just the mitten. Next, the thumb. Comes in from the side, at an angle. Not glued, not flat. Give it space. And finally, the palm pad. That soft mass under the thumb. Wrap it around. Let it connect naturally to the red line. And just like that, you've built the base of a fist from something you already knew. Step 2. Fold the palm and make a fist. Now comes the important part. We don't add details yet. We fold. That red curve we drew, this is where the hand bends. So we rotate around it. Watch what happens. The fingers come forward and start to stack. Still simple, still one shape, no knuckles, no nails, just volume. The thumb moves with them. It slides in and wraps across the front. Not straight, it follows the curve. And underneath, the palm pad compresses. It pushes up into the fingers. This is what makes it feel solid. Not lines, not anatomy. Compression. Everything is wrapping around that same red guide. That curve is controlling the whole fist. And if this part works, the rest becomes easy. Step 3. The cheat code. Now, here's the part that changes everything. This is the shortcut I promised. Because knuckles are not anatomy. They're geometry. And geometry doesn't overthink. Look at them. This one is a box. This one is a triangle. This one is basically a circle pretending to be tough. Square, pyramid, sphere. That's it. That's the secret. No bones, no names, no memorization nightmares. You're not drawing knuckles. You're placing shapes. And now, watch this. They don't line up. They pivot around the red line. That curve we started with is still in charge. Some shapes sit closer to it. Some push past it. Some fall behind it. Not randomly. They follow the flow of that curve. The red line sets the rhythm. The knuckles step along it, offset, slightly uneven, alive. That stagger along the red line is what creates depth. Ignore it,
and the fist goes flat. Follow it, and everything locks into place. Once the shapes work, the hand works. And suddenly, fists stop being intimidating. They become construction.
Before you move on, pause here and draw this again, one more time. No details, no anatomy, just the red line, just the shapes. If this clicked for you, don't rush ahead. This is one of those things that gets easier every time you repeat it. Now, if this helped and you want more shortcuts like this, subscribe. That's where I put the stuff that actually saves you time. And if hands still feel difficult, good. That means you're doing it right. I'll see you in the next one.